more technology, not less.
Okay, so you're saying startup companies, are you saying startup companies or companies that are already big and you see already becoming more big?
I feel like you're asking the question from your point of view, like actually you. So I'm giving you an answer of what I'd probably do to diversify if I was you. I would say like, you're obviously getting your money probably managed at this point, given the size and scale that you're at. But if you're asking me, like there's things that are tried and true. The best innovative companies as public stocks that are mature companies tend to do well if the world keeps heading in a technology place. And I think we're gonna have acceleration. I think the big tech companies are gonna have big advantages in AI because I think the government's gonna wanna regulate it. And so I'm just trying to think through that stuff. But like the reality is investing is always hard. And by the way, for the first time, you have money at a very good time, Clix. You can actually make money on your money. T-bills, you can get real interest on your money. That didn't exist 5 years ago.
But Gary, this is the thing, dude. This is like, I'm just gonna full be myself. Like, dude, I'm investing all my money and I'm getting like a 6% return on my money, right? Which is good, right? Which is really good. My dad and my team always says that's really good. But
it is really good.
Transparently, I don't see it as good. Like I want to be making a lot more. Do you get what I'm saying?
Of course I do. So then, because you're trying to do what I'm trying to do, you should tell your parents or your dad and the people that you should literally take a percentage of that, a small percentage. Like you should be allowed to take $1 million and invest it in very early stage companies and try to get an 8,000% return.
That's what I'm talking about. That shit would be the shit that gets me going.
Of course, but by the way, to make 8,000 or 800 or 500%, 5x, 15x, 50x, that means it's very likely that it's going to go to zero.
Yeah. So then I'm just going to lose $1 million.
Well, again, and for everybody, whether it's $5 or $1 million, if it's a percentage that you're able to lose, that's when you go high risk, high reward. When it's not, then you just take your small.
Yeah, Gary, I'm not on your level yet. If I lose $1 million, let me tell you, I need to get out of here.
So then maybe you need to decide to only put 100,000 into ridiculous high risk, high reward.
I'm messing. You're right.
I know you're messing. I know exactly, bro.
Hey,
bro. I don't want to blow up your spot. I'm keeping it humble for you, bro. I know exactly where you're at.
Hey, listen, dude. I'm trying to become like you, Gary. I'm gonna be honest. You have the point where you love life and you have fuck you money, bro. And you have fuck you respect. Like when this is not about the money, but when you walk in that room, bro, the amount of times where I'm with you, I'm gonna suck you off for a second. The amount of times where you go in a room and every motherfucker shuts the fuck up and just looks at you is actually insane. Like, Chad, I be going to events with Gary, and the amount of respect that he gets, it's like you feel like, Gary, you go in that room, I feel your aura. Like I feel the degrees changes in the